Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be in the closet. I got some closet organization ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you do, definitely make sure you give me that thumbs up. It only takes a second. If you're new to my channel, I'm a mom of two. I love to share home organization finds and mom life. So if you like any of that, make sure you subscribe if you have not, and also shoot me a comment. Let me know what's your favorite organizer from this video. So I've come across some helpful storage solutions for the closet and things that you may find helpful no matter what type of space you have, but especially if you have small spaces. I did come across some genius finds, so let's get started and let me show you what I got. To start, if you have really high shelving and you have a problem reaching, I always keep a ladder in my closet because I have really high shelving and I'm really short. This one is so slim, it can fit in the tiniest of places, even behind a door, which is where I keep mine. And it can hold a lot of weight. My husband's able to use them as well because they're super sturdy. So I have to say, I have loved using these large storage bins to hold clothes. I actually have my maternity clothes in this one, and it has two openings, a window opening on the front, and then on the top you can open it as well too. It can store a lot of clothes. It comes in a 2-pack and you can get it in a variety of colors, a variety of sizes as well. It does have handles, which makes it easy to grab or pull down from a top shelf, and it has a wire frame which gives it its shape and helps it to hold up. It can collapse flat when not in use and is a great way to store bedding, clothing, especially off season, even shoes, hats, and so much more. I love the window so you can always see what's in it without labeling it. Another great space-saving item are these hangers. These are absolutely not your typical hangers. These are designed to save you so much space in your closet by lifting your clothes higher, which is so genius. You can save up to 8 inches versus a normal hanger. They're designed to free up space or lift your clothes higher so they're not on the floor. I'm going to show you some examples in my closet where I've incorporated these and show you the difference. So for instance, this is one of my areas where I hang my shirts, and I have some longer shirts which kind of drags on the bottom here. So if you look at the top, there are like a couple inches of just space because the little neck is so long on the hanger. So switching out to these hangers can literally lift your clothes up higher and save you some space. And here's a before and after in comparison. So I'm also gonna go do like a lot of my long dresses and jumpsuits that drag on the floor. I'm gonna switch the hangers out in this closet area right here and show you the difference as well. Okay, can y'all see the difference? It literally pulls them up a couple inches off the ground, which I love. So if you are having a problem area with this or you need some more space, give these hangers a try. Another great item for your closet that can store things and hide things is this little stash it container. It hangs in your closet. You hang it up. You can also travel with this as well. And you can store your valuables. You can store some extra cash. You can store important documents, things like that that, you know, people won't think about looking in the closet. But so this is a really cool little organizer too. You just stick it in there, mix it in with your clothes, and nobody will ever know. Let's move on to some solutions that may help with your hats or shoes and purses as well. This is my hat area in my closet. My husband and I both love hats. And as you can see, I needed a way to be able to store these and find what I'm looking for without it looking a complete disaster. So I came across these acrylic shelf risers that are brilliant and doesn't take away from my space because I didn't want my normal like wire risers and things like that. I love the acrylic look and it gives everything a place. Now because I still had room on the side of my shelf here, I'm taking another little hat organizer that you can stick on walls, shelves, whatever, and I'm gonna stick here on the side. And you guys, it worked perfect. So these shelves do come in different sizes. So I got some smaller sizes for our caps, and you're gonna see how I do this space pretty much the same. It doubles my space, gives everything a place. Plus, I'm using the side of my walls with these stick-on hat organizers as well. Great for having a display wall. If you want a display wall of hats in your closet, you can always use it for that also. So we did all of our shelving, which we have about 4 shelves of hats. 4 or 5, I think it's 5. My husband has a couple, I have a couple as well. And as you can see, it just changes the game. It makes the closet look so upscale, but it also maximizes our space. So these bamboo drawer dividers are an awesome way to organize your drawers in your closet. They are thick, which I really wanted something that were high because I'm doing clothes and my drawers are pretty deep. And they also come with adjustable dividers too, which I love, love, love. So this is my drawer full of my tights and yoga pants and workout pants, and y'all, it's a disaster. It is a disaster. So I took everything out and I separated my tights by ones that have pockets on them, folded them all the same way, and that way I can easily find the ones I'm looking for. Because right now I love tights with pockets, especially with babies and something's always in my hand. But then I was able to separate my tights that don't have pockets in a different section, so that again I don't have to like sift through everything to find what I'm looking for. Everything has a space now, and I like these drawer dividers, you know, and as you can see I'm working real time, so you can see me actually changing things around. So the middle section is the section where it's the tights without pockets, and then lastly I needed 2 sections for shorts. So I used a drawer divider and then I put my shorts with pockets, and then I also separated my lounge shorts, which I like to easily grab and go, and it looks so much better. I love the look of these. It helps to organize your space and maximize your drawers. This next organization find for the closet is such a huge win in my eyes. These are adjustable hangers with stackability. One cool feature about this is that you can make these individual or you can stack these as long as you would like. Plus the clips are adjustable, so if you have smaller clothes, maybe baby clothes, that's what I'm gonna give you an example. You can actually use them for a variety of things: pants, jeans, shirts, clothes, whatever you would like. So again, this saves so much space, especially with baby clothes. But I'm also going to show you another example where I use this to hang some of my dresses. You can easily remove one whenever needed, easily put it back as well. Again, because it just saves so much space, and instead of using like hangers that go horizontal and take up a lot of space, you can get these and go vertical. I think it's such a great buy because 30 of these come in a pack, so it does come with a lot. As of filming this, that's how many is in the pack. Moving on to some issues with sweaters. So I hate when I'm trying to pull down a sweater and everything wants to come out from under it. Plus my sweater area is just a hot mess. So I picked up some of these containers. These are so great. They're stackable, they're collapsible as well, and they can store a lot. This is how it looks when it's collapsed. So when not in use, it doesn't take up a lot of space, but when you do need it, it does open up to a sturdy organizer, and you can divide your clothes in this as well too. You can use these for a number of things: to store sweaters, sweatshirts, jeans. The list is so long. Even shoes. Yes, you can put a pair of shoes in there as well. They're stackable and they do slide. Although I won't be using mine to slide, but they do slide when they're on top of each other. So I'm gonna put all of my sweaters in here. That makes it easy for me to grab down and pull down, and also easier for me to see them, grab them, and my closet doesn't look a hot mess. And it is such a great way to organize. So again, I can easily pull them down, grab what I want, and slide it back in. And I got my chunky sweaters just left over there to the side. Using sheet organizers is also a great way to organize all your bedding. These are easy to store, easy to keep your sheets in here, and I love the handle so that you can easily grab them and pull them down when needed. That's all for today. Hope you guys did enjoy. I will try to link everything, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. I'll see you guys in my next video.